Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, then find and select settings. So they are right here. Now go to personalizations, and click on wallpapers right here. So just allow all the necessary details and information. So now just pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be some from your own album, wallpapers or static wallpapers. So just by tapping you can pick the wallpaper that you would like to cover your screen with. By tapping on it you can check how it looks on the screen. So that's how you can see all of them. And then when you pick some particular picture, for example this one, just tap on apply. Now it's time to decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them, and let me pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.